How to use Roommate Group Manager. In order to be eligible for room selection, you will need to complete the housing application form and submit the $50 housing application fee. If you would like to participate in room selection with a set of roommates, you will need to create a roommate group. Go to usf.edu/housing and select Housing Portal. From here, you must sign in using your NetID and password. Once in the USF Housing Portal, select My Account from the left-hand side of the screen. Once on the My Account screen, select the Roommate Group Manager icon. If a group has already been created, it will show that group at the bottom of the Roommate Group Manager page. If a group has not yet been created, you will only see the Create Group button. If you create a new group when you are already a part of a group, you will automatically leave the group of which you are currently a member. Only leaders of the roommate group may invite roommates to be part of their group. Please be aware that roommates can only be placed in a space if they have completed their housing application, paid the housing application fee, completed the required immunization paperwork, registered for orientation, and have not already selected a room. To add a person to your roommate group, select Invite. When the search menu appears, you can use 3 criteria to search for your roommates: USF ID, first name, or last name. Your future roommate will receive an email prompting them to either accept or decline the invitation. You will receive an email indicating their response. To respond to a roommate group invitation, sign into the housing portal and select My Account. Once on the My Account page, select Roommate Group Manager. At the bottom of the Roommate Group Manager page, you will see your group, its members, and every member's current status. To the left of your name, you will see 2 buttons, Accept and Decline. Know that whichever option you choose, the other members of the group will receive an email notification of your decision. If you do not have roommates in mind, you will not need to create a roommate group before participating in room selection. Explore our housing options page to find the housing style and community best for you.